has FB then?
It's shipped from Amazon, so it's it's good.
This FB, that's just referring to our building, which is the Fletcher building.
This fragile is because it's a TV, and TVs are fragile.
Yeah.
It's
it was actually shipped to our boss,
form
Michael
of,
Pedersen.
Ethnic flag for Chile.
But the TV's really for us.
And it's from the United States of America.
Yeah, so it's a good one.
Let's see.
It's a brown box.
You can see here it's shipped from
We have another fragile sticker over here, just so you know.
Looks like the tape job's pretty good.
Solid. Pretty sturdy box.
Box sounds pretty solid.
Dude, did it come cut?
No.
Yeah, it's already cut.
You can see here our zip code is 84602.
That's the zip code of this building.
Okay. Are we ready to open it?
And now we're gonna take the inaugural boxing knife.
You can see this knife. I like it a lot. It's from Amazon. It's a
key knife.
SOG,
so it looks like a key.
SOG brand.
Yeah.
It's pretty sharp. I cut my finger once with it.
You can actually take it on planes because they don't notice that it's really a knife.
Yeah. So I'll just cut a little tab right here and then.
Have you ever taken that on a plane?
I took it. No.
It's probably just a call from Eric's mommy telling him about his car. It's broken.
I'm moving this weekend. I don't have a car.
Yeah.
All right.
This isn't a live video, guys.
So I'll cut it once at one.
Is this Facebook?
This isn't an IRL stream. Guys, I'm twitching this, right?
I get the other half. It's a reach.
It's just our coworker Brian taking the door.
As always.
Brian's from Utah.
Now we close the knife. Safety reasons, of course.
I like the packing. The packing's good.
Solid.
Solid packing.
That was not a whole lot of
Oh, it's LG. It's the LG TV. I'm sorry.
I think we can take out the plastic piece at the top. Very solid plastic. Now, you want to grab it?
Yes, that was my thought exactly. That got me the judge.
Wait, should we cut the box?
Okay.
Should we fold it out like a... Those handles. Balance it. You see, it's always good practice to balance a TV on top of an empty box.
That box quality. It's solid.
I like the print. The print's
Pretty hefty
That's
purple.
maroon background.
I like the fact that
set it out.
I like the fact that it has all those different languages. It makes being able to watch it.
Butterfly leaf.
Pretty hefty.
Got a power cord right on top. That's the plug into the TV and into the wall. Over here. And go ahead and open up the legs to the TV, which we're not going to use because we're going to mount it to the wall. But they're still good to look at. Yeah. There you go. That's one of the two.
Pretty good plastic. Pretty dense,
It's plastic
heavy.
though. I don't know.
Yeah, but it's pretty solidly built. I mean, I probably couldn't break
Here's
this.
the thing,
That's good. And here's the other one. Yes.
They match.
Yeah, they're good match.
If you notice though, one has an A on it.
for
One
the
has
A slot.
a B. One didn't do as well in school. Parents beat him though.
Set these over here in our
I
stand.
understand that.
We'll go ahead and take off the top piece of styrofoam. Carson? You're gonna do your part. Give me a second.
I'm working on it.
That's our resident redhead.
It's Ginger.
Yeah,
President
I'm
Ginger.
telling you, you can't do anything about it at this point.
Good. It's good styrofoam. So now you can see the TV wrapped up in some nice plastic protection. Me and Carson are going to go ahead and pull it out. Which way are you going with this? Is that on top of the other box? Let's go over here. Go ahead and set this down for a second. Lean that. Okay, hold that.
I got it.
And here we got another plastic bag. Looks like we got our instruction manual and nice remote. Some AAA batteries. The remote. Go ahead and open that up.
4K IPS display. Didn't you
And
add?
it's new, in case you
A nice
didn't think you were
LG
getting a new
remote
product.
right there. Go ahead and put it in.
4K active
Some
HDR.
screws for the
True color
stands that we're not
accuracy.
using. Nice little wire wrap.
This is not an LED.
Got a couple manuals right here. The LG owner's manual. The other LG. The register your product, which we probably won't do. The AI TV manual.
Called Think AI.
This looks like a
Wait.
setup manual
This
right
is
here.
self-aware.
Yeah.
Um,
Artificially intelligent.
Oh.
and we got an aberration
That's the Turing
notice.
test.
Very nice. Did we get those batteries out?
They're probably in the remote.
Up there.
It's come
There's
prepackaged.
LG.
No
They're right,
assembly
they're right there with
required.
the remote. There we go.
It's,
Spin
a,
those
it's a
batteries.
magic remote. The box says so.
All right, we'll go ahead and move this out to the hallway. We're gonna go ahead and unwrap our TV here. Oh, let's get a good view of that. Oh, yes, very nice. Over here, I don't know if you can see quite so well. We have the energy guide rating. This is a good $14 estimated yearly energy cost, which is pretty good for one of these TVs. As you can see, it's a nice LG 55-inch smart TV. Let's see. On the back, we have one HDMI. Oh, let's show that to the camera. We have one HDMI, a USB, an Ethernet. We have an optical. We got some component cables and a coax. And over here on the side, we have two more HDMIs. One of them is an ARC. That's very good. Another USB in. And that looks like all of our inputs on the back of our TV. Thank you for watching our unboxing video of this LG 55-inch TV. We appreciate it. Subscribe down at the bottom, and bye.